Hey guys, welcome to Mirror Effect channel. Today I'll be just taking a walk through the Washington Monument and just stop at some food truck and just have something to eat. So just watch, like, share, subscribe, comment,
So
stay
that's the
tuned.
truck right there, the white truck at the back. White truck at the back. So I don't know. It says Middle Eastern type.
I'm a king, come to my team, come get your ring, true. You.
Guys, I didn't get to talk really much on the bus because I don't know, it was like too much. I was listening to the thing in my ear, telling me where I'm at, and then the traffic and the noise and stuff. So now I'm here walking. I just came from this building right here. Historic site, monumental shit. So now, food truck. Going towards the food truck. I think I might go at about 3, at least 3. So something like appetizer, something more heavier, and then I'll get cigar, some dessert type thing. So let's stay tuned for that. I lost my jacket. I don't know why I chose to come outside with a jacket, but I lost it. Crazy.
So like they know it's hard, maybe like que venimos. Ah, ok.
Nothing's on board tonight. We're walking. There we go. This is I don't know. I might get something from this or filet steak, chicken steak. seen two of them. Two of them. Taco, no. Rooster subs. Oh my god, it's been a long day. I lost my sweat, I don't know where I lost somewhere. I'm sitting now. I'm about to get something from this food truck right here. I'm gonna try this food truck on this side. I'm not going on the other side of the road. Since they are here, I'm gonna try them. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I like it. So this truck is a Mexican truck. I might try the taco. And then I try the gyro from the back line. And then I will just go up on the front there and get something else from that truck. Yeah. Let's soon. I'm about to see what's up with this. From here? Oh. What's the price for the chicken tacos? Use card? Card? Yeah.
Like everything orange and cilantro.
What's on it?
Orange and cilantro. Wings on the side. Lime on the side.
Yeah. This one is what?
This one is getting movie. But I'm out of. I only have a steak, chicken, and pork.
Same price for the steak?
Yeah, simple. You can mix them up.
Yeah. Mix it chicken and steak.
Chicken and steak?
Yeah.
Mix or
Mix.
two? A mix.
How much?
Steak, one chicken?
Yeah. Alright. Two steak? No. One steak, one chicken, and one mix. One steak, one chicken, and one mix. Yeah. Sprite.
Sprite?
Yeah. Can I pay after?
Yeah.
I'm right here. Well, I was right here. Alright. Let's not share it. I was right here. got a chicken and beef taco. The gyro override. What exactly is in the gyro?
Sorry?
The gyro. What?
Lamb meat.
Lamb meat? Ah. Aye. What type of cuisine is this?
Sorry?
What type of cuisine? What type of cuisine is it?
The food?
Yeah.
It's like another friend. Like a breed.
So all the gyro is lamb.
It's a lamb.
Oh, aye. I might try the gyro.
Gyro over rice.
Yeah. So, two questions before you start. Before you start, the fillet chicken. What you do to the chicken? Like, how is it prepared?
It's ready made like fillet chicken, breast.
Breast, like, is it fried or sauteed?
It's like sauteed chicken, yeah.
I want to try that one out.
Try the gyro.
I want to try that.
The
Yeah.
gyro is better than the fillet.
Huh?
The gyro is better than the fillet.
Alright. Alright. So how long? You mind? I'm doing a YouTube thing. I'm doing a YouTube thing.
Okay. You can do the time, but don't get my face.
Alright. Alright, no problem. So how long since you've been in business? How long since you've been in business?
We're gonna be here till 8 o'clock.
Okay. Alright, so you got to respect that. The guy say he doesn't want this space to doing it, so you have to respect that. I don't know. So should I take back a seat or wait? How long will it take?
Sorry?
How long will it take? Should I sit and wait or?
Yeah, you can.
So I decided to support these vendors right here. Alright, it's hot outside, like real hot. But it's cool though. After food right here, I'm gonna go down the street and I'm gonna go get from that it's kind of a what's the word I'm looking for? Some type of dessert meal. So I'll be going there to get that. And then I would just try to get a lift, go back to the train station and then try to head home. Guys, today lesson, I learned a lot. I missed the train, so because of me missing the train, I have to drive to a different train station. Driving to the other train station, I couldn't find any parking, so I have to pay for the parking. You get me? So paying for the parking, then I got a train for $15, which is more than I would pay if I catch a train from over my area. And funny enough, I missed the train from the second train station. I was telling the next train won't come to some hours after, so I decided to just, you know what, let me walk it out. Let me walk it out and see what they say, alright, the next train will be coming in like a certain time. So I decided to just go along with it. Go along with it. It cost me what? It cost me $16 more. So in total it cost me $31 to get here. Plus I'm not sure how much the parking will be. So guys, I'm spending money. I don't know the outcome, but I'm just spending. And today it's just been an up and down day. The experience is nice, but I spend more than I wanted to. And okay guys, so I bought this food from this truck here. I forgot the name of the truck, but I'll be going back over there soon. So that's the truck right there, the white truck at the back. White truck at the back. So I don't know, it says Middle Eastern type cooking, so I'm gonna try this food real quick. And even my take, it's lamb meat. Funny thing, I have lamb before, but not like in this format. I have like the rack of lamb, but like the lamb itself over this rice. This thing looks so good. This food actually come out of that truck. Look at that truck right there. Less than about within minutes, about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna try this food real quick. Let you know what I think. So just stay tuned. And as I say, I should just taste it and just try to, you know, promote it a bit. I forgot the name of the truck, so I'll be going back over there to find out the name of the truck. But trust me, this look good. This looks real good, like real good. The next truck, pretty much after the next truck, I'll just move on to my next location. This is really good. I can't finish this right now. It's real good. What's the name of the truck again? Yamin Mix. Okay. It's real good. It's real good. It's real good. Thank you. The rice. What's in the rice? Like
Rice, I got like salt, black pepper.
why is the color?
The color is
Oh, turmeric. It's nice. Nice. Thank you. So Yamin Mix. Yamin Mix. That's a really good truck. So anytime you're in Washington DC, guys, please check out that truck. The guy is a really good guy and he's by himself. He's working by himself. You got to appreciate that. He's working by himself. This kind of a shy guy, like he don't really talk a lot, so I don't really want to impress him. It's like somebody like me. You understand? I only talk this much because I'm doing this YouTube. He's reserved, but his food speaks for itself, so it's a really good place to stop. Everything is good. Timing, a different flavor, everything is good. There's the truck again before I leave this location. Nice truck. These two trucks I bought the topper from this truck and I bought the gyro override from that truck. I want to go up here to get something else.
Yeah, I'm a king, come to my team, come get your ring, true. You and you and you and you, yeah, you is a queen, true.